I am Lara Falkalimlim from BSIT2. Global economy. What is global economy? Global economy refers to the interconnected economic activities, market, and financial system of countries around the world. It encompasses trade, investment, productions, and consumption that occurs across national borders, influenced by factors such as globalization, technological advancement, and international policies. The global economy is shaped by interactions between government, corporations, and consumers, and it is affected by economic events such as recessions, inflations, and geopolitical development. Market integrations. What is market integrations? Market integrations refers to the extent to which different markets such as financial, commodity, or labor markets, are interconnected and operate as a unified system. When markets integrate, prices, goods, and services move fairly across regions and countries. It is minimal barriers, leading to more efficient resource allocations. High market integrations means that price changes in one market quickly influence others, reducing price disparities and improving competition. It is often facilitated by trade agreements, technological advancement, and financial global actors that facilitate c- economic globalizations. Number one, international governmental organizations. It is an entity formed by multiple countries through treaties or agreements to address common interests and promote cooperations on international issues. Number two, non-governmental organizations influence globalization through research, advocacy, and policy recommendations. Number three, transactional corporations is a large company that operates in a multiple countries but does not have a single national identity. International Monetary Funds is a global financial institution established in 1944 to promote international monetary cooperation, financial stability, and economic growth.